I want to go across to my colleague Niranjan, who's actually currently at the crime branch office. So Niranjan, everybody wants to know exactly what is it that the Mumbai police is trying to do. Is it that they're so incompetent that they can't get hold of the Hansa research report and they want Republic to help them out? Is that what's going on? Otherwise, what is the business of the Mumbai police to ask for any media or any journalist to reveal its sources?
Well, as per the summons that I've received last evening, Shivani, they asked me for details of, they said the summons is for them to be acquainted with all the facts of the report that is in our possession. And Republic TV will not reveal its source. And in fact, my summons was for 12 p.m, so I have to get in right now. So before going inside, I just want to say that, in this entire episode, if there is one thing that this report has done, it is exposed the entire operation, and it has exposed the truth about what really happened and what is, the facts on the ground of the TRP, so-called TRP scam. Now, what this report has done, Shivani, you know it, I know it, it has also substantiated the FIR, and this report goes on to substantiate everything there is in the FIR, and that is the reason why perhaps that the Mumbai police didn't expect this to happen. They were on the complete back foot, and they've asked us for details of it. They called it purportedly the purported report that names another channel, etc., and they wanted to substantiate facts. So this was the whole story, and they've called us here to ask for the facts of the case. They've also summoned Abhishek Kapoor, who's on the way from Delhi, and I'm going inside now, Shivani, and before that I'm going to just hand it over to Yesha as well. But let me tell you, come what may today, Republic will not reveal its source. In the course of our investigation and over the years, we've broken so many stories, but never once have we named our source. Neither will we ever reveal our source, and that's the basic tenet of our journalism. Over the years, so many scams that we've broken, and if we start revealing our sources and talking about every document there is, then I don't know why we are journalists at all. So I'm going inside now for whatever questions that the crime branch has from me and also Abhishek Kapoor and the Republic Media Network. We have our facts at hand, but there is one thing I'd like to say before I get inside. Republic will not reveal its source. On that note, I'm handing it back to Yesha now because I have to walk inside because it's already 12 o'clock. So I just want to respect the summons. We're joining the investigation, but we will fight for the truth. Handing it back to you now, Shivani.
All right. Niranjan, thanks a lot for joining us for the meantime. Yesha, continue to be with us. We'll be joined by more of our senior team. But what is clear is that there are juvenile attempts really being made to intimidate Republic Media, and that has been clear because remember, the reason why this Hansa research report becomes very important, which was first broadcasted here on Republic TV, is because the Mumbai police had sought to claim that they have not found any evidence as far as the original TRP FIR is concerned, which does not name Republic, it names other channels. So they had in a way sought to pull wool over everybody's eyes and suggest that while there is nothing against anybody else who are actually named in that FIR, they've only somehow managed to find proof against Republic TV.